Pardon the angle. It's kind of a difficult spot to get into. Anyway, so I've been having this stupid lifter tick issue, which, sorry, read all the forums and whatnot, and looked through a bunch of different stuff. Anyway, finally pulled my valve cover, started pushing on them. What I read is if there is approximately like 0.5 millimeter of play in these, that's normal. Anything above that, you have an issue. So I started pushing on them, and you can see it's got a little bit of a play. You can see that the lifter is on the valve itself. Same situation with the other one, but look at the amount of play in this. Now I'm barely touching it. I'm doing it with my pinky just to show you that I'm barely putting any pressure on it. Same with this one. It moves. It gives just a little bit, but I mean that's the nature of a hydraulic lifter, am I right?